Hello everyone, myself Anil Singh, and I'm working with the Dholera Nirman Group, one of the most trusted and transparent developers in Dholera. Before we dive into the latest updates about Dholera Smart City, if you're planning to invest in this rapidly growing smart city, call us now on the number displayed on your screen. Let's build your dream investment together with Dholera Nirman Group. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the latest and most exciting updates from Dholera Smart City, India's first and largest greenfield smart city project. Dholera is no longer a dream, it's becoming a reality faster than ever before. Over the last few months, the development pace has skyrocketed, with major infrastructure projects now visible on ground. The 6-lane expressway connecting Ahmedabad to Dholera is progressing rapidly, and the Dholera International Airport is under active construction soon to welcome domestic and international flights. But the biggest game changer for Dholera is the Tata Semiconductor Manufacturing Plant, a 91,000 crore mega project that's putting Dholera on the global technology map. This massive plant is spread across more than 1,000 acres and will make India self-reliant in chip manufacturing, a major boost for Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat. Once operational, it will create over 20,000 direct jobs and attract hundreds of ancillary industries from electronics to logistics and housing. Now, what does this mean for investors like you? It means a massive rise in property demand and value appreciation. Areas around the Tata plant, activation zone, and international airport are already seeing a steady increase in land prices. Early investors who entered just a few years ago are already witnessing strong ROI, and this is just the beginning. At Dholera Nirman Group, we bring you the opportunity to own premium plots near these upcoming development zones projects designed with transparency, clear titles, and long-term value growth. We are proud to be one of the most trusted and transparent developers in Dholera, helping hundreds of investors secure their future. If you've been waiting for the right time to invest, this is it. With government-backed infrastructure, global companies setting up base, and continuous growth in demand, Dholera is on track to become India's Silicon Valley. So don't wait. Call us now on the number displayed on your screen, and let's plan your smart investment together. Because in Dholera, the future isn't coming, it's already here.